Environmental aspects and impacts is a significant part of any environment management system. Certification bodies for and standards such as ISO 14001 will want to see evidence that your business has assessed its environmental aspects and impacts formally and logically. This will usually require the use of a system that rates and scores the relative significance of each environmental aspect is element of organization's activities, products, or services which can interact with the environment. You can also say the cause. Environmental impact is any change to the environment, whether adverse or beneficial, wholly or partially resulting from an organization's activities, products, or services. You can say it effective action. Now we use some examples to further elaborate this topic. If we plant a tree, it an aspect and it will absorb carbon dioxide, which is its impact that is good for environment. Similarly, we take another example. If fuel is burned in a car or at any plant, it produces pollution. In this example, burning of fuel is aspect and pollution is its impact. In simple words, we can say aspect is action and impact is its natural reaction, whether good or bad. Risk assessment of environmental aspect and impact is being done on probability and severity basis. Severity can be ranked in 5 different categories of impact. Severity can be ranked 1 if the impact is irritation or discomfort for a human, no property loss but potential to hazard. Ranked 2 in case of first aid or minor property and production loss. Ranked 3 in case of medical treatment or moderate property and production loss. Ranked 4th in case of serious illness or major property and production loss. Ranked 5th in case of death or significant property and production loss or offense against law. Similarly, probability can also be ranked in 5 different categories based on risk history. Probability ranked 1 is that event will happen in 20 or more years. Ranked 2 is that event will happen in 10 or more years. Ranked 3 is that event will happen in 5 or more years. Ranked 4 is that event will happen in 1 to 5 years. Ranked 5th is that event is expected to happen any time in a year. By multiplying severity and probability scores, risk can be assessed. Scores between 1 to 5 indicates low risk. From 6 to 10 is moderate risk. From 12 to 16 is high risk, and greater than 20 is extreme risk. Let's discuss the aspect and impact analysis of sulfuric acid storage and handling. It can be assessed on 3 types of hazard that are emergency, abnormal and normal conditions. The tank leakage will be an emergency condition. Its probability is rare, so probability score is taken as 1. This type of accident can be catastrophic, so scored its severity as 5. Similarly, the other 2 hazardous conditions are line leakage and small spill or splash. Their probability is scored as 3 and 4 due to the history of such events. But their effect can also be catastrophic, so severity is scored as 5. By taking control measures such as non-destructive testing of tanks and acid lines, preventive maintenance of valves, construction of secondary containment around tanks, use of proper tools, protective clothing, proper training of operators, and arrangement of absorbent trolleys. By taking these control measures, risk will definitely reduce and we will have a safe working environment.